Okay, here's a short video on some up and coming CJs that we have. These are outstanding. These have not been listed for sale. These are something we've gathered up over the last couple of years. 1978 CJ5 Renegade, local Texas Jeep, original paint, V8 with all 5 original tires, original top, original Levi seats, factory radio with 21,500 actual miles on it. Next, we've got a 1984 garnet red scrambler with 26,000 miles on it. It was a totally rust-free Jeep that we brought in. The paint was faded on. We did a cosmetic exterior restoration on it in a major detail. Jeep is just absolutely outstanding. Hard top, hard doors, correct wheels. It does have a Weber carburetor conversion. Other than that, it's a very original Jeep. Power steering. T176 4-speed, garnet red interior, which includes a garnet red dash pad, door panels, seats. It's also rare. Original radio, tilt wheel, outstanding example. 26,000 miles, beautiful bed. Straight clean the bed is. Next, we've got one of my favorite ones in the group, is a 1980 Golden Hawk. 1980 was the first year that you got the Dana 300 transfer case, and you could get the T176 transmission. As you can see, this does have the T176 Dana 300 transfer case. The interior of this Jeep is totally original. The floors are outstanding. It's rust-free Jeep. The Golden Hawk basically got the same options as the Laredo or the Golden Eagle. There was only 810 of these made. They came in 4 color combos. I believe white is one of the rarest. This is the only white Golden Hawk I've ever seen in person. It's got 27,000 actual miles on it. Just outstanding Jeep. This is a 6-cylinder. We also did the cosmetic exterior restoration on it, which is totally original. Even the smog setup's still here. Power steering, power brakes. Stunning Jeep, it's super rare. Next, we've got a 7,000 mile 1983. Still has the original tires on it. When they ordered this, when somebody missed the box or either just one of these base wheels, but this is a factory base wheel Jeep, but it is high back seats, tilt wheel, T4 transmission, the 7,070 miles on it with the original radio in it. When we got this Jeep in, this Jeep had never been, it had never been buffed, waxed, detailed. I'm not even sure how many times it's ever been washed. So we did the very first buff and wax on it. This is totally original paint. It is unbelievable condition. Beautiful under the hood as well. Power steering, 6-cylinder. To restore one this level would just be incredibly expensive. And last but not least, I believe this is the very best triple black Laredo in the world. I certainly am confident it's the lowest mileage one. It's highly optioned except for hardtop. It's got 1,163 miles on it. We put about 20 test miles on it. We have serviced it, so it is in running and driving condition now. It's got the rear Jeep box, which is very rare in the back. You can see the rear seat belts have never been out of the delivery plastic, which is very rare to see. And also, even this red Jeep back here, the rear seat belts have never been out of the delivery plastic. So this is power steering, power brakes, tack, clock, all the radar options with AC, the 1,163 miles in triple black. This Jeep was very similar to this red Jeep, and it came in, I don't think it had ever been cleaned, detailed, or serviced. So we did the very first buff and wax on it. It is original paint. The Marshall lights on this one is extremely rare because most of them are clear. These are actually the yellow fog lights. As you can see under the hood, it's just outstanding. Power steering, power brakes, and AC. So, we just did this video to show you some up and coming Jeeps we've got. They should be listed on the website in the next couple of weeks. We have time to do proper photo shoots. These have all been cleaned, detailed, serviced, ready to go. Have a great day.